Finding the right car mount for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra can be challenging, especially if you use a protective case. In this video, we'll look at 5 case-compatible car mounts for 2026 that are designed to hold your foldable phone securely while driving. We'll compare their design, grip, adjustability, and everyday convenience to help you find the right option for your car and your needs. Number 5. Designed specifically to safeguard high-end foldable smartphones without compromising on modern charging convenience, the FNT case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra/Z Fold 7 serves as a robust, all-in-one protective shield built for heavy daily usage. Engineered to provide 14 FT military-grade drop protection, this black translucent matte cover expertly blends a rigid polycarbonate backplate with shock-absorbing TPU bumpers and reinforced corner airbags, ensuring complete shock-proof defense against unexpected slips, violent drops, and heavy surface impacts. Among its standout key features are 38 integrated ultra-strong N52 magnets that deliver an impressive 2400 GigaLF magnetic pull, enabling effortless MagSafe wireless charging alignment, firm wallet mounting, and rock-solid stability on magnetic car holders, alongside an included tempered glass screen protector that preserves crystal-clear display clarity and zero-latency touch responsiveness. A unique design aspect is its refined translucent frosted back, which subtly reveals the phone's sleek logo while actively warding off finger smudges and oily buildup. In real-life scenarios, the case performs admirably during demanding routines. The non-slip textured finish maintains a secure grip during one-handed operation, while the raised 1.5mm screen bezels and 2.5mm camera lips prevent sensitive glass lenses from touching abrasive surfaces when resting face down. Quality and build feel remarkably durable, yet maintain a streamlined, lightweight profile that prevents unnecessary bulk on an already sizable foldable frame. Ease of use is exceptional, featuring tactile button covers, precise port cutouts, and a secure snap-on fit that stays anchored to the dual-screen body without interfering with smooth hinge articulation. When evaluated against higher-priced competitors like the Taurus Magnetic or Spigen Slim Armor series, the FNT case stands out by offering comparable impact absorption and superior out-of-the-box functionality, by bundling built-in MagSafe support and front screen protection at roughly half the cost. Although premium alternatives may offer slightly sleeker aesthetic accents, NT case delivers vastly superior value for money for pragmatic shoppers. Overall, active commuters, outdoor workers, and budget-conscious tech enthusiasts needing reliable, multi-layered security for their expensive device will benefit immensely from this cover, and I thoroughly recommend it as a top-tier protective accessory. Number 4. Engineered to support heavy foldable smartphones and tablets, the car phone mount for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra/8/7 65432 and 4-12.9 devices serves as a versatile, heavy-duty mounting solution for drivers needing expanded screen access. Designed with an oversized sticky gel suction cup and an auxiliary dashboard pad, this holder mounts securely onto windshields or flat dashboards, using a multi-pivot aluminum alloy arm and a spring-loaded 360-degree rotating clamp to accommodate broad devices. Among its key features are anti-slip silicone padding, dual-joint articulation for customizable viewing angles, and wide-expanding jaw arms that fit devices ranging from compact phones to full-size tablets like the iPad Pro or Pixel Fold. In real-life scenarios, the mount delivers stable performance by resisting road vibrations, sudden stops, and extreme interior heat, maintaining a firm grip on unfolded Galaxy Z Fold screens without placing stress on the delicate hinge mechanism. Its quality and build feel solid, utilizing durable ABS plastic alongside metal-reinforced joints to prevent sag under the weight of larger devices. Ease of use is straightforward, thanks to a quick-release mechanism and tool-free suction lock lever, while its unique extendable arm setup provides a crucial reach forward over deep dashboards. When compared to competitors like standard vent-mounted clip holders, this suction cup model provides vastly superior stability and weight distribution, eliminating the risk of sagging air vents or restricted AC airflow. It offers excellent value for money by delivering reliable, multi-device support at an accessible price point. Overall, rideshare drivers, road trippers, delivery professionals, and tech enthusiasts who actively use expanded dual-screen navigation will benefit most from this accessory, making it a highly recommended choice for heavy-duty, hands-free utility. Number 3. Designed to provide complete 360-degree defense for Samsung's ultra-premium foldable, the Aoki magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra delivers full-body protection alongside everyday hands-free versatility. Constructed from shock-absorbing TPU bumpers and a tough polycarbonate backplate, this matte black cover features a full-coverage hinge protection system that seals the vulnerable spine against drops, scratches, and dust intrusion without impeding smooth folding action. Standout key features include powerful integrated MagSafe compatible magnets for seamless alignment with wireless chargers, car mounts, and magnetic wallets, alongside a flush-built, adjustable kickstand that pops out to prop the device securely in both portrait and landscape modes. Its standout design element is the translucent frosted back, which offers a sleek, smudge-resistant aesthetic that showcases the phone's original accent while resisting oily fingerprints and surface wear. In real-world scenarios, the case performs reliably under pressure. The heavy-duty hinge guard absorbs heavy impacts during accidental falls, while the sturdy kickstand supports the unfolded tablet-sized screen on desks without wobbling or slipping during touch interaction. Despite its multi-layered construction, the build quality feels tactile, durable, and refined, providing enhanced side grips and precise port cutouts for easy access. Installation is straightforward and intuitive, requiring no adhesives to stay firmly anchored during fast opening and closing movements. Compared to premium competitors like the Spigen Tough Armor MagFit or Tora's magnetic stand cases, which often cost significantly more, the Aoki case provides virtually identical drop defense and superior structural hinge coverage at a far more reasonable price point, delivering exceptional value for money. Ultimately, remote workers, media enthusiasts, and active users looking for rugged, all-in-one functional utility will benefit most from this feature-packed cover, making it an easy top recommendation for safeguarding an expensive foldable investment. Number 2. Designed to solve the unique mounting and charging challenges of large-screen foldables, the wireless car charger mount holder for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series serves as a heavy-duty, hands-free power hub tailored for demanding drivers. Built with an expanded dual-coil induction surface and a motorized auto-clamping mechanism, this mount automatically senses your phone when placed on the cradle and firmly grips it in either folded or fully opened widescreen modes. Key features include up to 15W Qi fast wireless charging, a 360-degree rotating ball joint for effortless switching between portrait navigation and landscape viewing, and flexible mounting options via a sturdy air vent hook or heavy-duty dashboard suction cup. A particularly unique design aspect is its built-in supercapacitor, which stores backup power so you can smoothly release your device with the touch of a quick release button even after your vehicle's ignition is turned off. In real-life scenarios, the charger performs admirably. The motorized arms maintain a vibration-free grip over bumpy roads and sharp turns, while dual charging coils ensure continuous power delivery without the thermal throttling common in single-coil chargers. Build quality feels sturdy and well-engineered, featuring heat-resistant ABS plastics, non-slip silicone pads, and quiet motorized gears. Ease of use is exceptional, allowing effortless one-handed docking and removal without fiddling with cables. Compared to official alternatives like the Samsung wireless car charger, which caps fast charging speeds at 9 WU and features narrower side clamps, this 15 WU aftermarket model offers faster power delivery and far better accommodation for thicker protective cases. It offers outstanding value for money by delivering high-wattage charging and motorized convenience at a fraction of premier brand prices. Ultimately, rideshare drivers, frequent commuters, and power users who rely on split-screen multitasking or GPS navigation on an unfolded screen will benefit immensely, making this mount a highly recommended accessory for any Galaxy Z Fold owner. Number 1. Crafted to deliver complete 360-degree protection alongside expansive productivity features, The Ninky case in vivid blue for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra functions as a comprehensive, all-in-one protective fortress. Engineered with an impressive 5-in-1 multi-layered layout, this phone cover integrates a specialized magnetic hinge protection guard, an integrated privacy screen protector for the outer display, a flush-fitted invisible back kickstand, and a spring-loaded S Pen holder that securely stores an included capacitive stylus. Key features include magnetic alignment for seamless MagSafe charging compatibility, raised bezels to guard camera lenses from scratches, and an innovative pop-out stylus slot on the hinge cover that releases the pen with a simple press button mechanism. Design-wise, its rich metallic blue finish offers an eye-catching aesthetic, while the textured polycarbonate body actively resists fingerprints, grease, and accidental drops. In real-life scenarios, the case performs effortlessly during busy workdays. The hidden kickstand firmly props the unfolded inner display for hands-free video calls or media playback, while the built-in privacy screen prevents side-angle viewing on public transit. Build quality feels sturdy and well-calibrated, ensuring the hinge protector flexes smoothly during rapid folding without binding or scratching the phone's delicate spine. Ease of use is exceptional, featuring tactile button covers, precise port cutouts, and a secure tool-free snap-on installation. When compared to premium competitors like the Spigen Tough Armor Pro, Ninky sets itself apart by bundling an external stylus pen and a front privacy filter directly in the box, whereas Spigen requires users to purchase screen protectors and official pens separately. Delivering multifunctional utility at a fraction of premier brand costs, it provides outstanding value for money for pragmatic shoppers. Overall, business professionals, digital artists, and daily commuters who want maximum drop defense without sacrificing note-taking convenience will benefit immensely from this feature-rich accessory, making it a highly recommended choice for your flagship foldable. So, those were 5 Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra case-compatible car mounts to consider in 2026. The best choice depends on your phone case, car setup, and preferred mounting style. Whether you want a strong dashboard mount, an air vent design, or a more flexible option, make sure the mount securely supports your phone and allows easy access while driving. Hopefully, this guide helps you choose the right car mount for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra.